Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how you can create a logo design from start to the finish. So without wasting any time, let's start it. Okay, so now look at the client brief. So this app is about finding the lost items. So the target audience are usually the people who lost their items. So the logo is going to be used as an icon. So we have to keep in mind while designing it. And the clients wants his logo to be in black, white or gray color. So we have to keep in mind also. So here I just list out all the words that relates to both my customer's requirement and competitor analysis. It will give you a starting point, a shape of an animal or thing that you are going to be used on your client logo. So now we have to analyze our competitors. So these are the logos of our competitors. I downloaded these logos online. It will help you to see what others are doing and gives you idea before you start working on your own logo, so you can create a unique logo for your customer. Step number 4. So now grab your pencil or notebook, or you can use a graphic tablet if you have, and draw logo ideas that you have in your mind. You have to draw at least 15 to 20 ideas, and after that you can select few of them to work on. I usually use notepad and a pencil to draw the logo concept, but for the purpose of video, I am going to use a graphic tablet to draw the logo concepts. So let's draw a few concepts. After drawing the concept, select the best one and make it vector using Adobe Illustrator. Now it's time to add color. So as we are going to use only black, gray and white color, so let's put this color into our logo and see how it's gonna look. If you have reached so far, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so each time you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So now our logo is complete and it's time to add our logo on the mockup. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.